Hello everyone, it is indeed inspiring to see you back again. And this is SQL tutorial series. And today I will be telling you that how you can install SQL from where you can basically download a particular software. And I am telling you about a software which is a freeware. You need not to pay for licensing of this particular software, and it is MySQL. Although most of the SQL software or the softwares where SQL is being used, you will find that there is a freemium version available. That means you can use it for free level, and after certain type, maybe extra load you want, extra features you want, premium things you want, then you will have to basically pay for the license and then you can use it. So let us now start understanding that how you can download and from where you can download this. So here you can see that you can download this particular software MySQL from mysql.com/downloads. This is one option you have, or you can go for the Oracle's website, because MySQL is a product of Oracle, and from Oracle site also you can download. So under MySQL, you can see that a lot of options you are getting here, but there is one option which is called as MySQL Community GPL Downloads. Click here, and after clicking here, you will be getting again multiple options to download MySQL Yum repository, MySQL APT repository, SUSE repository. So if you are aware that MySQL Yum repository, this you will have to download if you are working with CentOS, Fedora, or Red Hat systems. If you're working with Ubuntu or Debian based packages, you can download the APT repository. If you're working with OpenSUSE, you can download the SUSE repository. So depending upon the operating system, you need to download the MySQL, whatever version or edition is there. Now what I want is I want MySQL installer for Windows. So I can just click here and it will help me to a page from where I can basically get this particular software. Here you can see that there's an installer. One is 2.3 MB and another one is 349 MB. So whichever you download doesn't matter. You can download either of them, because if you're downloading 2.3 MB, it is just an installer and it is later on going to download all the software packages when you are installing it. And if you're downloading the 439.6 MB, then it is going to download the certain packages here itself. So that is the only difference. So download it and start installing this particular software so that you can get this window. So here you can see I have MySQL 8.0 command line. I have already installed it. So I get this window and my password is root, enter. You will get this sort of window. Another software which you can get is MySQL Workbench. So this is another wonderful IDE and integrated development environment for working with SQL, and I use this as well. The benefit you will get from the MySQL Workbench is you will be able to create multiple connections. So you can see that I have one local instance, I have one instance named as Vedant, so I have multiple instances of MySQL. So here you can see if I click on this, it will be asking me to put up the password and then it will allow me to log in. So I entered the password and it allowed me to log in, and you can see that it has come up with a new screen. So these two things I've shown you. One is basically the IDE, which is MySQL Workbench, and the other one is MySQL Command Line Terminal. So install and come to this point, and then we will be discussing furthermore in the next video. If you still haven't liked this video, please do that. And also subscribe to this channel and share with your friends. Thank you very much. Let's meet in the next video where we'll be discussing about different query types or subset of SQL. Let's meet in the next video.